Hey guys, it's Omega FT here, doing another video of the underglow that I just bought from AutoZone. As you can see, Type S plug and glow. It's a 2-inch exterior smart lighting kit. This is for the exterior of the car. See, I already opened it and installed the car already. Yeah, you could actually control this with an app. You can see right there. Just download the app. Like a little cover right here. See all the lights and stuff. Just have like, I think say 49 different color lights in this kit. As you can see, you could use the audio sensors. I made my best audio sensor. You could use the lighter socket and the ground and the ground kits. So you can rewire through your battery, stuff like that. Right now I'm using this piece right here to plug into your car. I didn't want to do the rewire because it's too much. And yeah, I really like the lights though. Light's pretty bright, especially at night. You see it, but this is like the ground cable stuff and some screws. But yeah, I already installed to the car. This is my 2016 Mazda CX-3. See it down here. It starts with the side script. Same with the other side, so I'm just gonna turn the car to show you guys. See, here's the socket to plug it in. That's the wire right there. Sorry guys, it's messy. I had to rewire it around so it won't be sticking out on the floor, but it's okay. That's not on. Try again. You can see the lights. And on the other side too. But yeah. But yeah, I guess that's it, I bought the kit from AutoZone for 90 bucks. I know it's a rip-off, but I need it right away. And I didn't want to wait online to get the kit, so I just went to AutoZone and bought this little kit for your car. So if you like underglows, I recommend buying online. It's cheaper. But if you need it right away, you could just get it for AutoZone. So. But yeah guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. And don't forget to comment down the video. And peace out.